Elsewhere, the Senate Committee on Justice, Legal Affairs and Human Rights has 60 days to deliberate on a petition seeking to have the word Harambee moved from the coat of arms and the Constitution. Now, the petitioner, Aluochier, claims that the word is a religious Hindu term praising a Hindu goddess called Ambe.
He says that since the Constitution dictates that the state and religion should be separate, then the term should not be used as a state symbol and a more appropriate term picked. Aluochier reports.
The coat of arms and the public seal are constantly present in our lives. Almost every government building or document has the coat of arms and the word Harambee, from money to passports, the national ID and even the Constitution. Aluochier is not happy with that. In his petition to the Senate, he says the word has religious Hindu origins and should therefore be expunged from the Constitution.
According to the petitioner, one of the meanings of the word Harambee is praise Ambe, Ambe being a goddess in the Hindu region, considered as wife to the Hindu god Shiva, and see that consequently inclusion of the word Harambee in the national symbols of Kenya, specifically the coat of arms and the public seal, offends the constitutional provisions on separation of the state and religion.
In his petition, Aluochier says the term was used by Indians who were building the railway. Most senators do not think that the petition has any merit and say it should be dismissed.
Harambee, Mr. Speaker, if you look at the kamusi ya Kiswahili, means kuvuta pamoja, pulling together. And that's what it means. It may have come from India, Mr. Speaker. All languages are now pedigree. In English, Mr. Speaker, safari is now in the English dictionary. It is not an English word.
This is a word that united this country together. And during that time when I was young, I used to see the founder, Jomo Kenyatta. Wherever he goes, he would pronounce this word, Harambee, with a lot of vigor. And it has a meaning to Kenyans.
And I know it's our work as senators to listen and to investigate things, but in light of scarce resources, in light of focusing on really things that have high impact for the priorities we set for ourselves as a House, I think this is misplaced.
They say that because the word has generally been accepted as Kenyan over a period of time, it will not make any sense changing it, and that the Hindu meaning is relevant to many Kenyans.
I would say the only thing to me that really this petition does, it just gives us an opportunity to affirm the use of the word Harambee in our coat of arms.
Others, however, feel it should be given a look.
So if it has offended Kenyans, I think it is right to investigate and see what to do with it. But I do remember that actually during the bombers process, several religious groups sent petitions which we did not interrogate.
While the implementation of the recommendations of the petition could be a long shot given the mood of the senators and the House, it could have had significant effects on the lives of Kenyans given the presence of the coat of arms on almost everything we use, from the money we use every day in buying goods and services to the identification documents that we present everywhere. Aluochier, NTV.